Snap.
So this is going to be obstacle number 3. We've done the snotty track and we've done the quarry with some rock climbs, that sort of thing. And then we're going to try a few board crossings with some, as you can see on the ground, some round pebbles.
Yeah, the whole idea of this, guys, is we're going to bring you in through the easy stuff first and get you very confident with the easy stuff. And then we'll do another section which is a slightly bit harder until you get really confident with that, and then we're going to go through another section which is even harder still. But each time we're going to have 2 or 3 people on either side of you, so if you do get stuck, you're not going to drop the bike, and we're here all the time, and it's all slow technical stuff. Alright, easy. Go. And it's going to come down nice and slow. Look, see how it's starting to lean back. And easy up. And now it's going to come down exactly the same. Gets to the bottom, should hear him start to run. There we go. Excellent. Plenty of balance.
This is steeper here.
This is what we'll get you doing after you're confident with the others. There you go, that was better. Wrong gear. Totally wrong gear, not enough momentum. He did that on purpose to show you how not to do it. Okay. Also, gear selection is very, very important. You need your momentum. Momentum is your friend. As you can see with Peter, he didn't have enough momentum, so he stalled it. And what everybody does when they stall it is the first thing they do is pull the clutch in. Don't pull the clutch in once you stall. If you pull the clutch in, you're going to start falling backwards.
What happened then?
Because he wasn't filming, I thought I'll stop and wait, and then I realised I was on the hill.
There's nowhere to put your leg.
Boring though. That looks surprisingly familiar.
destination.